Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum. This repair is simple and can be done with just a few tools. Let's get started. First, you'll need to gather your tools. You'll require a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety first. Lay the vacuum on a soft surface to avoid any scratches. Next, locate the two screws that secure the trigger assembly. These screws are found at the back of the trigger area. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Keep in mind that we can provide a quote before repair if you're unsure about doing this yourself. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to damage any wiring connected to the trigger. If you notice any dust or debris inside the vacuum while you have it open, now is a great time to clean it out with your soft cloth. With the trigger assembly removed, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Make sure that it fits snugly into place. If you're unsure about the fit, give us a call for professional diagnosis without obligation. After the new trigger is in position, reinstall the screws you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could strip the screws. Now, let's test the trigger before we put everything back together. Reconnect your vacuum to the power source and try the trigger. It should engage smoothly without any resistance. If it doesn't, double-check that it's seated properly and that the screws are tight. If everything is working correctly, reattach any covers or panels you may have removed during the process. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough cleaning to keep it in top shape. Remember, if you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide no calls, no travel service to help you get your vacuum back in working order. Just reach out to us for assistance, and we'll handle the rest. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.